Introducing the Volanti Plan Review Table, a cutting-edge solution designed specifically for the construction industry and professionals who work with plans, blueprints, site drawings, engineering drawings, and maps. This versatile system is also perfect for any application that requires a large, high-resolution, ergonomically mounted touchscreen display. The Volanti Plan Review Table is a complete system that comes with a basic table featuring a stunning large 4K screen. The table is equipped with paddles for easy electric height and tilt adjustments, ensuring optimal comfort and viewing angles. Wheels are also included for enhanced mobility, allowing you to move the table effortlessly from one location to another. To further enhance productivity, we've added a convenient keyboard tray that accommodates a keyboard and mouse. A side monitor is also available for additional screen real estate, perfect for multitasking or displaying complementary information. For those who need to work with a laptop, the Volanti Plan Review Table offers a laptop tray that securely holds your device. A webcam is also included for seamless video conferencing and remote collaboration. And to keep you refreshed during long work sessions, we've even added a cup holder to keep your beverages within reach. On the back of the Volanti Plan Review Table, you'll find a powerful i7 small form factor PC conveniently mounted on the side. A docking station is also provided for easy connectivity to your devices. The table features an equipment cover that houses a range of essential components. Inside, you'll find a power reel for easy cable management, a backup battery to ensure uninterrupted work during power outages, and a power strip for connecting multiple devices. The equipment cover also provides ample space for a larger PC if required. The Volanti Plan Review Table is a comprehensive solution that combines advanced technology, ergonomic design, and practical features to streamline your plan review process. Whether you're in the construction industry or any field that relies on detailed drawings and maps, this table is designed to enhance your productivity and efficiency. Experience the difference with the Volanti Plan Review Table.